What's up? I'm Wilfred Cyrus. Today we're gonna make a chill boom-bap beat. I'm gonna use FL Studio and the Maschine to chop up the samples. Alright, on this one I want to start with the drums. I have some dusty lo-fi boom-bap drums loaded up in my sampler. I'm gonna do a little finger drumming and lay down the break. I loaded up the MIDI for the drum break we just played, and you can see everything's off grid. It gives the beat some natural swing. So the drums sound like this. Okay, now that we have a drum beat, I have this sample that I want to lay down. And I have it pitched up 2 semitones. I just thought it sounded a little better. And we'll hop over to my sampler and play this out. And after playing those in, this is what we have. I have another sample I want to throw in here. It's going to come in intermittently. I'll put it in during arrangement. And it's pitched up 5 semitones. That's how it sounds in the mix. I found a couple bass samples that I pitched in tune with the sample. Sound like this. And this one. Pretty interesting bass sounds. I arranged these bass samples in the playlist. We have this. All right, now we're going to go through and add in some effects on the main sample. We're going to start with the EQ. Right off the bat, we have a bandpass filter, cuts off the lows and the highs. RC20, a little distortion, a little noise, some space. Magnetic noise that adds that dropout flutter, that tape dropout effect. And neutron is an effects chain in itself. Has an EQ inside of it. I did some surgical EQing here. Took out a problem frequency. Then fresh air. I really like fresh air. It boosts up some of the high and high mid. All right, next we'll get into the arrangement. I'm going to take the drums right here. I'm going to go up to this box, right click. We're going to go split by channel. Then when you hop over to your playlist, it's all right here. So I'm going to bring in my hats, my kicks. There are 2 snares layered and my open hat. And those are my drums. Now this will make it easier for me to arrange breaks. I'm going to throw in sample 1, throw in sample 2. We have the bass and we have all the drums. And that's pretty much it for this one. Now we're going to arrange this. After the arrangement, this is what we have as the final product. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.